Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing a kind of a easy way to level up in Wizard 101. So what you mainly want to do is you want to go to like Unicorn Way or somewhere. Unicorn Way, really, that's the best spot to head to, especially for what we're going to be doing today, because not a lot of people go there no more because of the reason of it's really not that one spot people want to go to now. So I don't know what just happened, but we're about to see. More than likely, I just wanted to start ourselves. The school storm, always great to come to, but I'm fire, so we need to get out of here. Okay, let's go to Unicorn Way. Let's teleport to Unicorn Way for right now. Alright, so here we are in Unicorn Way. So what you want to do is you want to come here, and you want to get all this off. It don't matter. And what you mainly do is you want to put all of your, just this. This is all we will be using. So, we're not going to be using a lot. I'm in a quiet place to go, so about right here, because not a lot of people comes about to where the skeletons are, because of the reason, you only go here for rattle bones and then you're done. So you want to use all your shields first. So, let's use it. It's 35+%. It's okay if you text me, it don't matter. And we're gonna add another one. We're just gonna keep adding them until we get done. So we're gonna have 3, so it's gonna combine them. We do it, so. Blood bat. Always best to mess around with. Alright, so we're gonna put the third one on. Alright, so we're done with shields now. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna now so we're just gonna go straight. We're just gonna shoot fire elf out. Doors them. Oh, okay. It fizzles, I guess. That's great. Desert beetle. That's to mess around with. Alright. We can just fire cat at it. And then it's gonna add. And it does more damage. So for now, you see how it went 18? Usually you get like 3 or so. Now what we want to do is we want to add those. And we want to go back to the normal deck, so everything on there. And we're going to go around here, so if there's the chest over here with gold in it. Just, yeah, see, I knew it. There'd be those every now and then. So we want to come in here. This is Rattlebones area. Yeah, he's easy to fight. Aside that, so we don't have to worry about that. Alright, so like I told you, just add him. That's what he said. Literally. And then, since we did that, now what we're gonna do is we only have one on there, but we're gonna add shit to fire elf out. Oh, okay. Was it worth a try? No, I shouldn't have done it, but I tried. So we're gonna shoot a fire cat out and see if we can get it better. Add 35 onto him. Get him 162 and fully knock him dead. She's gonna do some like balance spell. Yeah, knew it. 48, knock me to 87. And then I'm gonna use a fairy pixie on me so it can get me killed. So I don't die. That would be great. I would love that if I don't die. And she fizzles. So with that fizzle, we got the best opportunity to just straight kill her. Fire cat out, and then attack. And it does 90 foot. And she fizzles again. Alright, so we got the fire elf. We're just gonna go minor fire flame and get her finished. Alright, so that killed her. So we got a pet. A Mistspire. Takes 6 hours. I got one of these yesterday. And one of my other characters. I will show you. So 6 hours. That will take a long time. This is what it will. This is the egg. It looks disgusting, but it'll be fine. So let's go out, and then as soon as we go, we want to go back in because it's gonna reset the dungeon. See, it reset it, and then we can go back. If you just keep doing this over and over and over again, and if you have healing spells, you can easily and very fast level up. Because just from that, and I'm almost level 15. One of my other characters. And literally all I've been doing is this. It took me 3 hours. 3 hours at top. If you want a short video on how to earn crowns, I will show you. If you play this game. Most people don't no more. Because it's kind of like that game like most people gone away from. But like pro players like me and everyone else, we play it still. Because we like to just mess around on it and troll people. But we do. We honestly we'll admit to y'all we do actually do the quest and everything. And we're not afraid to do it. It's only if it's really like yeah, see that just shot 135 at him. And when he jumped out, he shot something at him. I did not see what it was. I would have loved to see what it was, but I don't know. She's gonna shoot a fire at me, which would be the fire cat. And then I'm gonna shoot a fire at, well, I was gonna shoot a fire at her. I'll shoot the fire elf at her.
Yes.
Fire cat, again. Fire elf. And that's gonna launch that. So what that means is it's a healing thing, so every turn it will kill her. Just like that. And I didn't even get to do nothing. Rattlebones Master Duel. I got another one of these. This is the second one. So there I got 2 of them now. So I can do it twice. Where's it at? Yeah. This is the second one I got. It's Crown Zone. And then I get the Student Desk. And then I got something else. It's a Rattlebones Crow. Yeah, see, I got all this stuff. For my stuff that I can just sell. And if you want to see a video on how to farm for gold, just go ahead and tell me in the comment section below, and I will do that. But if you don't, tell me. I ain't gonna be like, okay, okay. I ain't gonna be like that. I will say, alright, and I'll leave you alone. Right now, level 5. Not bad. 55 crowns, 282. We got 2 training points. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go. I thought we were gonna go home. I'm gonna set a place marker here, and then we're gonna go home. And we're gonna put another one of these down. So that's what it looks like. It is an actual multiplayer duel. We need to find a different place to put this, because I have 2 of these now, and if I can't find a place to put it, I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna place that anywhere. What I do want to do though is, you're gonna let me in there. You're not gonna let me in there. Yeah, Mike, you're gonna let me in there. No, you're not. I knew that was gonna happen. So we're gonna go in the School of Life, see if they got anything good. More than likely, if they have some healing spells, I will definitely be down. No, they don't. Wait, is that free? Most of it isn't free, unfortunately. Except the school you technically been to. You enrolled for, which would be mine, which would be fire. I'm a fire student, but I do go. My secondary class is my secondary school. I don't know yet. I don't know my secondary school fully yet. I am mainly looking for heal spells. So yeah, that's what I mainly look for. If you want to see me do a video of Minecraft, like not the actual Minecraft, but a demo version of it, just go ahead and tell me in the comment section below, because I have it and I need to do something before I delete it. So yeah, we're gonna go up here, talk to her, see if there's a frost beetle. It looks like there's nothing good until like level 8, level 8 and level 10. Which is my other character. My other character I will show you. I might actually switch to that character because I'm thinking, yeah, I'm gonna switch to that character. I'm gonna quit here. That's gonna save right there. Entering character selection. So this is my other character. This is all my characters. This is level 10. So we're gonna do this. Okay, so we're here. This is that spirit thing I was telling y'all about that it does with. So her is the normal. Once I reach level 8 on my other character, I get the Glaciation. So, let's actually let's read this real fast. The Tree of Fire School. In the days of the war, the elves, giants, and their items, and the most powerful of all, the dragons. Years in peace until the dragons and travel matters work out between the 2 sides, and then dragons became involved as the universe was threatened. Gosh. Understanding peace, the dragons used their great power to stop the war, and the world became dormant and silent. The dragons now sleep. Fire magic, the powerful of all magics, come from the essence that dragons release in the fire and magma. From today, the school has been more formal and it's in the press will follow. Yeah. Red, orange, and the gemstone is ruby. Which one of the easiest things to remember? School colors, red, orange, and gemstones ruby.